Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Agrawal. In this video, we are going to learn personal pronomen im nominative, accusative und dativ. So let us see what is a personal pronomen im nominative. Ich means I, du means you. This du is a informal singular. Du means you. Er means he. She means she. S means it. Wir means we. Ear, this ear is a you all, means informal plural is called ear. Z means you or you all. This is a formal singular and plural. C. And last Z is they. I repeat once again, personal pronomen in nominative. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ear, see and see. Now we'll see personal pronomen im accusative. Mich, dich, ihn, sie, es, uns, euch, sie and sie. I repeat one more time. Personal pronomen im accusative. Mich, dich, ihn, sie, es, uns, euch, sie and sie. Now we'll see personal pronomen im dative. Mir, dir, ihm, ihr, ihm, uns, euch, ihnen, ihnen. I repeat one more time. Personal pronomen im dative. Mir, dir, ihm, ihr, ihm, uns, euch, ihnen, ihnen. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.